took a trade with target of 1:1 ratio, and I have explained the entire trade analysis with reasons to take today's trade. So watch the complete video. Now let's get started. Today's trade was taken in Tata Consumer and I did not record the live trade, so let's directly move to trade analysis. This is the daily time frame of Tata Consumer and we can see Tata Consumer is been trading at all-time high of 545. All-time high means this stock has been never traded at this current price of 500 to 550. So now moving on to the lower time frame of 5 minutes, we can see here on the previous trading session of 17th August, price opened at this area here, started moving upward, and this was yesterday's high, and then the whole day it traded lower. So after following a downtrend the entire day here, while the closing session around 3 o'clock, price gave a breakout in this area. So we will draw a simple trend line this way. So we can see price has given a breakout on the upside here. It has stopped this downtrend and it has started moving upward. Now today price opened at this area of 545, this candle. You can see 9:15 time 18th August, and it made a price action of higher high. So after opening at this area, price went down and up and it crossed this high. So after that I took a trade in the buying direction, in the upward direction I took a trade. So let me explain what is price action, but later on I will explain you in a full entire video. For in short, if price opens in this area and starts moving lower and again it comes to this area but faces rejection and comes down this way, but the third time it goes up and breaks this rejection area, so means it has made a price action of higher high, and means we can take a buying position on this area and ride this trend upward. So after watching the price action this way, I took the trade at 549 on these areas. So this is my trade book and you can see here buying 80 quantity at 549. So after entering at 549 at this area, I placed a simple target of 4 rupees and my stop loss was also 4 rupees downside, which means if market goes in my direction I will earn 4 rupees, and if it doesn't go in my direction I will lose 4 rupees. Now let's check out what were the reasons for taking this trade. As we can see here, price gave a breakout yesterday, which means it has a higher probability of continuing this uptrend today as well, and it did also. So that was the first reason. Now move on to the second reason. We'll go to daily time frame. So the second reason for today's trade is price made a big candle here and after that it halted in this position. So today was again a high probability that it will continue its uptrend. So that was the second reason. So third and the last reason for taking today's trade is the higher high price action which I showed before. Price open here, went down and made a higher high, and along with that these volumes. So volumes are like these bars which are in green color, which represents buyers in the market, and if bars are like this red color, which represents sellers in the market. So with the help of volumes I saw prices moving upward, so I took a trade in the buying direction. So this is today's small profit of 320 rupees with 80 quantities Watch all the videos and comment down if any doubt. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.